Hello everyone, welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, the place where we turn your outdoor dreams into stunning reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. With subscribe to this channel, leave comment. Hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. We all know the backyard is the place for relaxation. But what about the first impression your home makes? Today, we're focusing on an often overlooked area with huge potential. The front yard driveway garden? Whether you have a massive winding drive or a small suburban entrance, your driveway's surroundings can be transformed from plain concrete to a stunning, welcoming landscape. Get ready to boost your curb appeal because we're diving into the meaning, benefits, design tips, and best plans for these incredible spaces. Let's get started. So, what exactly is a front yard driveway garden? At its simplest, it's the thoughtful landscaping, planting, and hardscaping incorporated into the areas immediately surrounding your home's driveway. It's more than just a few random bushes. It's a cohesive design that softens the hard lines of the asphalt or pavers, integrates the driveway with the rest of the yard, and enhances your home's architectural style. This could involve border gardens running parallel to the drive, raised beds in the central islands, strategically placed trees to frame the entrance, or decorative strips and planters that define the edges. Essentially, it's turning a purely functional space, the path to your garage, into a beautiful, integral part of your entire front yard landscape design. The benefits of dedicating attention to your driveway garden are enormous. First and foremost is the dramatic increase in curb appeal. A well-designed driveway garden immediately elevates the look of your home, making it appear more polished, inviting, and valuable. Studies have consistently shown that excellent landscaping can significantly increase a home's market value. Beyond aesthetics, there are practical advantages. Driveway gardens act as natural visual guides, helping visitors and drivers see the boundaries of the driveway, especially at night or in bad weather. Strategically placed plants can also control erosion and rainwater runoff, protecting your paved surfaces. Furthermore, the planting introduces biodiversity, attracting beneficial pollinators like bees and butterflies. Ultimately, transforming this space creates a seamless transition from the street to your front door, providing a sense of welcome and pride every time you arrive home. Decorating your front yard, driveway garden to achieve that high-end, beautiful look involves a mix of strategic hardscaping and thoughtful accents. Define the boundaries first. Use materials like brick, natural stone, or modern metal edging to create a clear border between the planting beds and the driveway. This creates a clean, intentional line. Next, introduce layering and structure. Start with taller elements in the back, like small trees or tall shrubs. Transition to medium-height flowering plants, and finish with low-growing ground cover near the edge. For maximum impact, incorporate strategic lighting. Low-voltage path lights or spotlights focused on architectural plants or features not only add security, but also create a magical, dramatic look after sunset. Finally, don't underestimate the power of decorative accents. Large, stylish planters placed near the garage or front entrance can unify the look, while a beautifully designed mailbox area or a small space decorative stone accent can serve as a captivating focal point. Remember, consistency is key. Make sure the colors and materials complement your home's existing architecture. Choosing the right plants is crucial, as this area is often exposed to vehicle fumes, heat radiating from the pavement, and sometimes road salt. The best plants are durable, low maintenance, and visually appealing year-round. We highly recommend evergreen shrubs like boxwood, dwarf conifers, or rhododendrons for structure and winter interest. They are resilient and provide excellent visual weight. For color, look for tough perennials such as dahlias, sedum, or coneflowers, which thrive with minimal care. Ornamental grasses are fantastic for softening hard edges and adding movement. They can tolerate hot, dry conditions and provide great texture. Crucially, avoid messy plants that drop a lot of fruit, leaves, or pollen directly onto your driveway. as this can stain the pavement. And for safety, ensure that any shrubs or trees you plant are set back far enough that they don't obstruct the sightlines for you or your neighbors when pulling in and out of the driveway. Now, let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here are the collection of the top 10 best front yard driveway garden ideas to spark your creativity. One, geometric boxwood hedge and gravel infill. A sleek, formal, and structured garden space. The design utilizes low-growing boxwood hedges to create a geometric, tiered planting area filled with light-colored gravel. The use of paving stones and small cobble sets defines the walkways and boundaries, resulting in a very clean, low-maintenance, an architecturally focused look that is perfect for urban or formal properties where space might be at a premium. 2. Sleek concrete slabs with architectural desert planting. This ultra-modern look features massive concrete paver slabs separated by dark river stones, creating a highly structured, minimalist aesthetic. The surrounding landscape utilizes low water, architectural plants like agave and vertical grasses, beautifully illuminated by strategic uplighting. This approach minimizes maintenance while maximizing drama, making the front entrance a stunning focal point, especially with the warm wood door and stone accents. 3. Stone veneer entrance with layered perennial beds. This front entry garden uses natural materials beautifully, with a slate-tiled walkway leading to a stone veneer home. The garden beds are densely planted with a variety of textures and colors: large white hydrangeas, yellow petunias, and ornamental grasses, all layered to provide continuous bloom and interest throughout the seasons. Low landscape lighting ensures the path and beds are inviting at twilight and throughout the evening. 4. Tiered retaining wall and classic shrubbery. This design addresses a sloping front yard with elegance, utilizing a stacked stone retaining wall to create a raised, flat planting bed. The lush traditional plantings featuring large, billowy white hydrangeas and dense green hedges soften the brick face of the house and the stone wall. The well-manicured lawn and strategic placement of small trees create a classic, timeless, and stately curb appeal that perfectly complements the home's large profile. 5. Vibrant cottage garden driveway edge. An explosion of color defines this cheerful landscape, proving that a driveway garden doesn't have to be minimal. The garden bed runs parallel to the sidewalk, contained by a low brick border. It's packed with high-impact, multicolored annuals and perennials like petunias, salvias, and yarrow, framed by a lush lawn and mature palm trees in the background. This design offers maximum visual delight and a welcoming, tropical or cottage feel. 6. Traditional brick home with formal symmetrical planting. Symmetrical beauty defines this classic landscape. The red brick home is complemented by precisely manicured hedges like boxwood or yew that create sharp, formal lines along the drive. Bright red annual flowers provide a bold, dramatic color accent against the deep green foliage and light paver walkway, delivering a sophisticated and highly maintained look that emphasizes structure and order. 7. Grand European-style curved paver driveway. A truly estate-worthy presentation. This design features a majestic, sweeping curved driveway paved with interlocking stones, bordered by a lighter, contrasting paver. The immense lawn is immaculately kept, framed by towering, mature trees and simple, low-profile planting beds at the center. This design emphasizes scale, formality, and symmetry, providing a luxurious, winding approach to a grand home and creating a truly spectacular first impression. 8. Modern cobblestone and lush green border. This design perfectly balances classic elegance with functional hardscaping. The long sweeping driveway is paved with beautiful, light gray cobblestones, creating a sophisticated texture that contrasts wonderfully with the surrounding deep green lawn. Low-maintenance beds filled with mulch and small, structured shrubs soften the transition from the paved surface to the house, demonstrating an ideal way to frame a large property and enhance the traditional architecture. 9. Contemporary paving with defined planting pockets. A bold, modern approach where the interplay of light and dark pavers creates a striking foreground for a contemporary home. The front walkway uses a lighter paver, distinctly bordered by darker paving stones for the driveway. The garden beds are meticulously carved out squares and rectangles, filled with colorful potted arrangements, upright conical evergreens, and diverse low-maintenance foliage, providing a crisp, architectural contrast to the warm wood siding of the house. 10. Xeriscape rock garden with coastal charm, perfect for low-water or coastal areas. This design features a naturalized xeriscape garden bed defined by a large sculptural boulder as the focal point. Various textures of drought-tolerant plants, including young pines, succulents, and ornamental grasses, are set among river rocks and dark mulch. This approach provides year-round interest and beautiful texture right next to a white picket fence and paver drive, proving low-water gardens can be incredibly beautiful. As you can see, the front yard driveway garden is truly the unsung hero of curb appeal. By applying thoughtful design principles from choosing durable plants to incorporating smart lighting and defining borders, you can transform a simple path into a powerful, beautiful extension of your home. We've covered the what, the why, and the how, and given you 10 spectacular ideas to get your inspiration flowing. Remember, this space sets the tone for your entire property, so invest the time and creativity it deserves. Which of these top 10 ideas was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. Share it with a fellow garden lover. And most importantly, subscribe to Garden Decor Designs so you don't miss our next video on maximizing your outdoor space. Tap the notification bell to join our community. Thank you for watching and happy gardening.